welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making what you call some pressed green plantain or some tostones. Whichever name you want to call it, that's what we'll be making today. So come along and see how I make it. For this recipe, you basically only need 4 ingredients: a little salt, some garlic, whether you want to use whole garlic cloves or you want to use some minced garlic, along with your plantains, and those plantains must be green, and some oil, whatever oil of your choice. Today I'll be using some olive oil. First thing I'm going to do is give my plantain a good wash. Then we peel our plantain. Now this is sometimes a little bit tedious, but just be patient and take your time. Be careful with that knife and go in and peel your plantain. Now this is how we're going to cut our plantain after we peel it. Now I'm going to put my plantain to soak just for maybe about 5 to 8 minutes in the salt and the garlic. So we're going to add those to our water. Now after you soak your plantain for a little bit, you're going to go ahead and dry them. You have to make sure you dry them before you put them in your oil. I have my pot, my frying pan on my stove being heated with my olive oil. So while that is being heated, I'm drying the plantain. Let's go ahead and put them in our pot, and you want to make sure they're brown on each side. Give it about, I would say, 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes on each side for it to be browned properly. Then you flip them over. Look at that, guys. That's how you want to have it, nice and brown. See, my plantain have that nice golden brown color. That's how you want to have it, and you make sure it's like that on both sides. Now once you have it like that on both sides, you go ahead and remove them, and I'm going to show you how I set up my station to have them pressed. First, you're going to put down a kitchen towel, then you're going to have a piece of foil paper, and then you have another kitchen towel on the top. Now you go ahead with the palm of your hand and you just go down and you give them a good press and have them nice and flattened, and then you're going to return them to your frying pan and do the same process again. Have them golden brown on each side. Now this part won't take as long as the first frying process that you did. This part is going to be pretty quick because they're basically pre-cooked already. You're just trying to get that crunch now on each side. Once you have all your plantains golden brown on each side, go ahead and remove them to a plate with a paper towel on it so you can absorb all that oil. And that's it, guys. Quick and easy. You have your pressed plantains or your tostones. That's it. Quick and easy. Very delicious snack. You can serve this up with some salt fish, with some fried fish. You can do it with some stewed meat, whatever way you want to have it, or if you just want to eat it as is. Very nutritious, quick and easy snack to make. Look at that, guys. Your tostones or your pressed green plantain in less than 30 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll try it sometime and drop a comment to let me know how it went for you. Now, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.